My in-ground pool, which is over 17 years old, has plastic cowling approximately 7¼ inch wide. It snaps onto metal frame beneath. With age it has become brittle and is cracking. I've asked local dealers if they might carry replacements, but all tell me that it is no longer made. Do you perhaps know where I might get some? Present cowling has 17 small ribs running lengthwise on the cowling. Thank you. Hi, I am here to help you with your question. I'm sorry, but different regions can call items by different names and I'm not sure what cowling refers to. I can't even find a pool-related definition for it. Does this part cover motor housing? Let me know and maybe I can help. If another expert can answer this question at any time, I will back out.
Hopefully, someone has saved some new cowling, not brittle from sun and weather. 2 pictures, 1. One piece of cowling removed, one still installed. 2. Piece upside down to show curls at edges to grab metal, explosed. Keith.
I do not know where you will find that replacement. I hope another expert can help you.
Relist, other. I appreciate experts' effort and honest response. He said he didn't know the answer. I feel bad that my only way to move on to another is to select, not satisfied with your expert. There should be other choices.
Hello, how can I help you today? That's a Trojan pool, lots of them around here in Ohio. I think they do still manufacture that coping, which is what it's called. My supplier doesn't open back up until Tuesday for me to locate it, if you can wait until then for the information. But it's definitely a Trojan pool coping. Just let me know. Thanks, Jeff.
Poolguy 810, sure I can wait. If coping is available, I would like to know who I can buy it from and how to contact seller. Thank you. Keith.
No problem, I'll let you know as soon as I find out. Just wondering if you found who might have the coping and if I could buy some yet. Thanks, Keith. It is now 5:29 and I thought you would get back to me 2 days ago. Please reply. I do not want to give you a bad rating.
Poolguy 810, are you going to get back to me? Keith.
I see Poolguy has not been able to answer back. Based on the info he sent you, I found this for you. It's the current name of the manufacturer of your Trojan pool. I hope this helps you both out. http://radiantpools.com/about/
Poolguy 810 provided the name of the original manufacturer, Trojan. And one pool doctor provided the new name, Radiant Pools. Radiant still stocks the coping. So I guess they should split the fee. Thank you. Keith.
Thank you for your concern on our payment. I opted out and only wanted to help you while Poolguy was away. Poolguy should get full payment. As long as you're happy with what we provided, I'm happy. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.